Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. If you have TS3640 or any kind of TS model by Canon, printer is showing E16 error, E16, and the B light is blinking. So even error basically indicates that change the ink cartridge. Okay, if maybe the ink is not present inside the printer, or maybe the ink you can say may run out. Okay, run out of your ink, so it's also show the same error. You have to replace the cartridge. Right now in our case it's showing B light is blinking, so you can replace the cartridge. So right now I got a new black cartridge, but if you want to bypass this message, you can do it also like pressing the cancel button around 15 seconds. So it may bypass, but not in every case. Sometimes it can bypass and sometimes it cannot. So right now I pressed it and gone error. So let's see what happened. If the error will appear again after restart the printer, so we have to change the ink cartridge. Okay, now light is blinking but there is no error, so I have to change the black cartridge. Let's see it's initiating or not. I'm going to restart the printer and it's turning off. Let it turn on again and then I will see if there is any error. E16 printer is turned off. I will turn back on. Light is still blinking but there is no error, so you can continue printing, resume printing after bypass this message. If you want to remove this error code, you have to replace the cartridge. If you have any other question, you can ask down in the comments. Thank you for watching. All the best.